If you're looking for expensive quality and something that's going to be soft to the touch of this hair, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If this is not your first time here, welcome back. Thank you for watching my videos. Even though I have not uploaded, I still have a few more videos to put out, but in between the coronavirus and me getting back into school, I did not realize how crazy everything was going to be. So the reason you clicked on this video is because you want me to talk about this hair, which this hair was only $25. This hair is the Sensational DIY weaving system. It is supposed to be, from what I take from it, it's supposed to be simple and easy to use if you do not know how to lay hair, or from what I gather from it, if you can't afford to buy the $150 200 bundle hair and you're looking for something like really quick to put in for the weekend and you just want to throw something on, like right now my twist out is wet. So I just threw this on. I was like, I ain't got time to play with no wet twist out. I don't want this to be frizzy. This hair was only $25.99. It comes with the direction on the packages on the back of it. Now, the back of the package gives you the impression that you're going to glue it in. I sewed this to a mesh wig cap, and I'll talk about that here in a few minutes. So again, the hair was only $25.99 at my local beauty supply store. It came with a closure and 3 bundles. The longest bundle is 22 inches and the shortest bundle is 18 inch, and it was already pre-styled. And it has like a split down, a part down the middle and 2 parts on the side, and it came in this ponytail. I did readjust the ponytail to my liking, just because the hair kept falling in my face. But now that I've worn it a couple of times, it seems to just be set where it is. Now, I did not experience itching or shedding, a lot of shedding with this hair. Of course, if you pull on it, a little bit will come out. To help maintain it, I used the LK Natural Styling Mousse in water, and then I did use some leave-in conditioner, but I can't remember which one I used. But I just used some leave-in conditioner. I would suggest like something with a slip on it, like Aussie Moist, to just keep it, you know, those curls in. I am not like a wig maker type person, but I feel like I want to be now. Like after doing this, I feel like I can do anything. I had a whole lot of trouble like laying the lace in the beginning, but over time, like with my opinion, when it comes to like lace fronts and because it did come with the little baby hairs, but I accidentally cut them off, so I had to make some more baby hairs. But when it comes to like lace fronts, I don't think there's any way to avoid having baby hair. Like, it's like you have to put that extra like hair in the front. Do I think that this hair is good quality? Not really, but think about this. You cannot afford one wig, you know, lace front or whatever, or frontal, and you don't have the money to pay for the bundles. Think about buying 3 or 4 of these and making your own weave systems and switching them out, because the hair quality is not something that I would seriously wear every single day. But, and look, it's long, it stops like at my mid back. It's not something I would wear every single day and be like swinging around on the streets or whatever, but it did for the job of what I needed it to do, and it gave me good practice. Because if you do not know, I'm in cosmetology school. Okay, check out my video, my first day of cosmetology school. I'm almost done. I got 400 hours left, y'all. Oh my god. Of course, the coronavirus did slow it down. The coronavirus did a lot, but okay. So for the most part, if you're looking for expensive quality and something that's gonna be soft to the touch, so this hair is like really rough, and I'm very touchy with my hair, but if you're looking for something like you looking for Becky with the good hair type quality, this is not it. It was $25. What could I expect from a $25 pack of hair. It did what I needed to do and people thought it was cool. Okay, I got a lot of compliments. I think it's cute. I love it. I love the curls. I mean, it didn't like, you know, it didn't frizz too bad. It didn't, you know how some hair over time it gets like too big or it just shrinks and it starts looking separated and stuff like that. I wore this wig on June 13th and I've worn it almost every day since then. Feel of the hair, the price of the hair, the ease of use, the durations. If you plan on quick weaving it to a cap or just quick weaving it to your head, it's really simple. The downside is that it was pre-styled and I don't like the way the part looks. I would have had to do plucking and I'm not ready for that yet. And just the way the parts were placed, it would like look really weird. So I didn't use those. I would just keep it up in a ponytail. I did get another pack of a different hair just to compare the two, but this is just gonna be my twist out is wet hair, if you know what I mean. I love this hair. I don't love the feel of the quality. It ain't like my good bundle virgin hair, but it does the job. $25? Girl, how much this cost me to make? Okay, the cap was only $2.99, and then the thread, he only charged me $1.07 because I go to the beauty supply store often, so he gave me that for $1.07. Less than $30. I made a wig for less than $30, and so could you. I followed, oh my God, what's her name? I will put her name around here somewhere. I followed her tutorial on how she sews her wig caps down. I did not get it exactly to the T. There's still some things that I'm personally working on. I use brown thread so I can see my mistakes and see where I need to come up at, because I am in my beginning stages and learning how to sew hair. I mean, you know, like to sew wig caps. I think wigs, I like wigs better than I like sew-ins because I can take this off at the end of the day. I don't have to worry about all that itching and oh my God, the itch when you get a sew-in. Oh my God. So I don't have to worry about any of that. I could just take this hair off at the end of the day and just be free, okay? So that is all I have for you guys. If you have any questions, please ask the questions in the comment below. Do not be afraid to ask me questions, but do not be afraid to talk to me. Let's talk, engage. What questions do you have about the hair? Have you tried this hair? What are the pros and the cons? My cons is that it's cheap hair. I mean, it was pre-styled. It wasn't very versatile. Those are my only real cons. I mean, today is what, the 25th, the 24th, 25th. I bought this, I had this hair in since the 13th and I've been wearing it every day and have not missed a day except for one day. And look at the hair, okay? And that's with putting a mask on. So the pros are ease of use. I mean, oh my God, it's just, it's easy, it was cheap, it's long. I love the pattern. I love the hair. I like how it makes my face look. I like how, I like it. I like it. So, I mean, some people, I watched one review when somebody called it trash. Hey, it's not like other hair, but it does not look bad enough like I cannot wear this. So, I do thank you guys for watching today. You keep your joy. You keep your peace. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and like this video and share it with somebody that need to be like on this whole budget thing. You know, we got this whole coronavirus thing going on. It's time to budget and put our money in other places. Start investing in other stuff. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and, for now, get your little dollar lashes and your little $25 weaves and then invest it in something else, okay? So, I'm just playing. I'm not going to take the money. But I do thank you guys for watching today. You keep your joy. You keep your peace. You don't let anybody take that from you. You keep your hair and your soul clean. And you stay rooted and grounded in love. You stay faithful to your natural. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.